Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you're new to my channel, hello, how are you? Welcome to the Terry Show. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back, Terry. Like, we missed you. So you already know the drill. You see the red button, make it great and subscribe to my channel and become a part of the family. And don't forget to hit the bell right beside it so you will not miss a second of this chocolate face. And follow me on my social media accounts, which will be floating up above just for you. And yeah, like, I need to do my hair before it starts drinking up, so let's get right into this video.
I do my hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling?
Okay, so if you're a real one, like, you already know my hair is like this. I just detangled it. And if you don't know how I detangle my hair in between wash days and moisturize it, click the link there or there and, you know, watch the video. I'm going to be showing you 4 ways you can wear the same protective style and, like, you know, switch it up. And they won't even know. Like, the people will be like, oh, that's so cute. I know. So yeah, it's all about finesse. So that's what I'm supposed to do today. So yeah, I'm just going to start. I'm going to do a side part because I don't know. So I'm just going to go off the arch of my eyebrow and go up and then straight back. And now that I have it like a little way back, I'm going to curve it and part it there just so I can, like, get, you know, like that type of thing going on. And then I'm just gonna split it down the back, and I really don't look at that when I do that because it really does not matter. It's at the back of your head. So now that I have it parted, I am going to be flat twisting going to the back. But before I do that, I'm going to be taking the Curl La La, and I'm just gonna put that on the section as well, just in case, you know, I want to take this protective style down, and I want, like, at least the chance of having okay curls and the okay definition. I'm gonna split this in half, and I'm gonna go right with my ear. So I'm just gonna go like that. I love how my hair just naturally parts like that. Next, I'm going to be taking my Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna use that, put that around the perimeter of the section. I'm gonna be starting at, you know, the front, and we're just going to flat twist going to the back. Okay, so for some reason my phone decided it did not want to have enough storage for my video, so I had to delete something. But now I'm back, but I finished just twisting it because I wasn't about to stop. So all I did was flat twist it to the back, as you can see, and I just did a little 2-strand twist coming down, as you can also see. So now I'm going to take this section down and do the same thing. Okay, so now that I am done with that, I'm just going to release the back. And I'm not going to leave these 2 down because I'm like a bug. So I'm just going to take each flat twist and bring it to the back of my head. Then, of course, like, we have to do our edges. Like, did you really do your hair if you did not do your edges? So I'm just going to be swooping them, fleeking the wrist real quick. And once the edges are done, like, this is like the finished look, like, and it's so cute and simple and easy. Like, all you have to do is just add some jewels. You can do a twist out on the back. Use so many possibilities with this. Like, you can make it into a bun, like, all that. So now I'm going to be going to hairstyle number 2. So for hairstyle number 2, we're just gonna be, you know, taking this and making her into some ponytails, baby, because, like, we're not here to play with y'all this summer. We're doing easy hairstyles, we're doing quick hairstyles, we're doing lastful hairstyles. Putting a rubber band on her, and I am only going to do her once because, like, I feel like I was already pushing it. So I'm just going to tie it around once, and I'm just going to do the other side, and then I'm just going to wrap it around into a bun because, like, we're protecting our hair all 2019. I'm going to keep the twist in just for, like, a little, you know, accent in the bun, and we're just going to wrap her around into a bun. Like, y'all already know the drill. Okay, so this is hairstyle number 2 and she is cute. And like this one is like more youthful and, you know, youngin type. But I mean it can work on anybody. Like it's just cute and reminds me of Mickey Mouse. Like my buns are not the same size. Do not judge me. Like this is a tutorial. Get it right on your time. So we're just about to go to hairstyle number 3. So for hairstyle number 3, we're doing a flat twist all the way down. So I'm just gonna put this out of the way and start on this section. So I'm just gonna undo this twist and basically start off where I left off. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna apply some more product to my ends over here. Show them a little bit of love. And then I'm gonna start off where I left off with the flat twist. So I don't know why I took so much manpower to do that one, but here it is. And I'm just gonna refresh my edges again because I messed them up. And this is hairstyle number 3. It is cute and basic and just like you can never go wrong with it. I'm so tired of this light going in and out. You can never get, you know, I don't even know what I was saying anymore. Like you can never go wrong with this type of hairstyle, I guess. And it's cute and simple and I'm upset and I'm over it. And you can accessorize it with jewels and make it just look even more cute and even more youthful and even more playful and even more easy. So like, yeah, this is hairstyle number 3. And for hairstyle number 4, like this is just taking these, bring it to the back. Like you cannot go wrong with that, because when your ends look trashy, you can just pin them and then just twist it, reinforce it in the way that you twisted it in that direction to tighten. And yeah, like you look so innocent, and this looks more elegant in my humble opinion, as Monique says. Like this is just so cute to have your hair like this. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting irritated. So how many hairstyles did I do? I don't even remember. I was supposed to change shirts. Oh my goodness. See, this is what happens when you do 2 videos in one day. It's just discombobulates everything. And now I'm gonna be looking like I don't change my clothes. I don't even care. So this is hairstyle number 4. Like this is just this is a lot. But it's simple and cute. I think I'm crazy. So my last hairstyle, I think it's gonna be number 5. I think it's number 5. It should be number 5. Whatever. So I'm just gonna take my little pigtails and ball it. Like how am I supposed to ball it though? Like so. Yeah, I don't know what I just did, but I made a ball. And then just take the other twist and do the same thing, exact same thing. So my hair ain't want to make no ball over on this side, but you know what, I'm not about to play with her because she wants me to get upset, but I'm not. So this is hairstyle number 5. Supposed to be a ball over here, just make it a ball, you know. And yeah, so this is the end of this video. I'm going to end the video right here before I get upset, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you will not miss a second of this chocolate face. And yeah, and follow me on my social media accounts up above. And yeah, just bye. I'll see you in the next one.